guys want to be my friend on Facebook?
Are you really saying that into the game chat?
You know what? I'm saving that idea.
Are you going to say that into the game chat?
Soon, yes. I'm not even playing the game anymore. Because you know what time it is?
Adventure time.
That is not what I expected from you. It's the 8Cast.
God damn it.
Welcome back to the worst show on the internet.
God damn it.
Sorry for the audio clipping, whatever. Shut up. I know.
God damn it.
Well, anyways, welcome back. It's been a while.
God damn it.
It's been since
God damn it.
January 8th, 2016, even though we made this in like
God damn it.
around.
God damn it.
So it's been almost a whole 2 months.
God damn it.
Okay, we get it now.
God damn it.
It was around when your audio was horrible, Alex.
God damn it.
You know, the
What about it? What?
that was previous episode.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't wanna go live. This show isn't gonna go live yet.
What was that noise that
I don't
you
know.
just made?
But wowzers.
I'm not gonna be nice through this, you know.
That's a shame because your picture is for your thing is just so perfect.
What, my Skype?
No, it's something else.
For what?
It's it's what the audience is saying pretty much. The big 8 and the ye in the background with the 8 ball in my picture and Dr. Fredo in the bottom. And above the Almond 86 is a fantastic picture.
God damn it.
No, I'm just gonna send it to you right now.
God damn it. 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 Hey, cutie. Cutie.
Oh, it's not a cat.
I'm talking to my cat.
I know.
Oh, is that really?
Yeah.
Really? You couldn't have just, like, used my actual thing?
I used to until I think episode 4 or 5 when I decided to change it because you could have saw my mouse over your picture. And it was pretty annoying. So I fixed it up a bit. First it was Jax Films' weird face. And now this.
Could you at least use this one?
Oops, I accidentally started up Spotify.
Oops, I want to bring up that plasma rifle.
Why does everything have to be installed now? What the heck did my computer do? Here's the whole picture.
I'm not going to use the one that I sent you.
I didn't even get one.
Oh, wait, there it goes.
No, screw you.
Why not? It's not even that bad.
Oh, I thought I was...
She's got underwear on.
Well, that's a great sign. The audience doesn't even know what you're talking about, and all they heard was, she's got underwear on.
Yeah, she's got underwear on.
I'll
And
show them the picture.
her hair is fire.
I can't wait to watch this video later in the future. And be all like, why? If you're anti-brony, then click this annotation wherever it is to skip it. No, I won't, because screw you. That's too much work. Nope, that's... What in the name is this? Why do I have this? What? Whoa.
Are you not going to use the picture that I sent you?
Hold on. I don't know what the heck that picture is. Let me delete that for a second. That looks really stupid. I got a lot of JonTron pictures for some reason. As well as an I hate everything for some reason. And something from school. Oh no. There we go. Now it's perfect.
The only ghoul is a get ghoul. Is a get ghoul. Wow, I can speak.
It's this. Oh jeez, that's too big. There, it's this.
What?
You can now move on with your day now, because that's gonna be the highlight of our show. Maybe, I don't know. Unless if we do something that's really lol-tastic funny. Lol, random funny. I can't wait until this video gets copyrighted by Merlin City Ltd.
What?
Right when we mentioned, damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel! Back at it again with the white fans!
One of the worst memes ever.
Damn, Daniel! Back at it again with the white fans!
Maybe I should make that my profile picture.
Damn, Daniel! Back at it again with the white fans! Damn, Daniel!
I got some weird stuff in this folder. I don't think anything on this file is porn related.
Everything is. Oh wait, did you get the picture yet?
What picture?
The picture that I sent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I even showed it to the audience.
Are you gonna use that for my thing instead of that other one?
I mean, maybe.
Because I think it'd be a whole lot better.
Hold on, I got a way I can do it. Okay, we'll be right back. We'll be back. Yay! We did some. Yay! I did some improvements on the picture a bit. Wanna see? It's not. Eat that.
Yeet.
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 The plant is one of the almost worst memes.
Oh, really? You just did that? Oh.
I can fight fire with fire.
Why didn't you put the whole thing?
Well, there's some parts that may look suggestive.
That's the point!
or we can do that.
No.
Or this.
No.
Or this. I got a lot of faces I would like to show you.
No.
Okay, you know what? One more.
Ooh.
Oh no, two more. Now one more.
Why not just do the full Spitfire pick?
Because I don't like it.
I do.
Too bad.
Well, if you want me to be a part of this, then you should do that.
Fine. Or do you want the picture I just sent you?
No.
Okay, I'll do the picture I just sent you. I'll be back. Just, you guys have to just stick with it. So, I did. I did it.
Good. You better not be lying.
Don't worry, I am.
Oh, so you are lying?
I mean, I am new. I'm not lying.
Bet you are.
I mean, come on, guys. Look at all those faces I could have done for him.
No.
All those I
Spitfire.
could have, but he won't. Like, yeah, I don't want you.
Spitfire.
And yeah.
I knew I'm gonna be part of this.
Wowzers.
Hey, kitty.
My mommy told me that I can't go onto internet because there's a lot of porn. I don't know what I'm saying. You guys want me to read the very cool super story that I made
A
quite a while
cool super
back?
story. Oh, is it one of those stories that you read?
It's called The Horny Teenager Who Loves MLP Too Much.
What?
You don't remember this?
No?
Written
I
by
don't,
Dr. Alfredo.
I don't think you read this one.
Yes, I have. I know for
Really?
sure. Directed by Donald Trump. Produced by Donkey Lover 299. Starring Shia LaTrumpsina. Okay, I'll make you remember. It was a dark night when our main character George was searching for a band from Equestria Daily on Google. It was a full moon and George had a bulge the size of Kanye West's ego. Oh man, Rainbow Dash sure does look hot, George said when he was looking at his naughty poster of Rainbow Dash. I want to come inside of her so bad. When suddenly, someone was knocking on his room door. Georgie, come get your dinner, George's mother yelled. I'll be right there, Mom, George yelled back. He turned off his computer screen and went to get his dinner. When he went back to his computer, there was a message on Skype. Hello there, stranger. My name is Shyla Trumpsina, and I am a clopper. Please be my friend, the message said. George called the stranger to see who this Shyla Trumpsina person is. When the stranger answered, he went to video call and showed George himself jerking off to a seductive picture of Twilight Sparkle. What the? George yelled right after hanging the stranger up. 1 whole week later, after the innocent, George was masturbating to Luna's anus.
What?
Then the stranger called again. George went the stupid buff-face route and answered the stranger's call. It was a video call like before, and it was the stranger jerking off to not the pony's sticks, but to George. And the stranger was yelling out, "Love me!" over and over again. George immediately hung up and turned off his computer. Then George got a phone call. It was under your daddy.
What?
George answered the call like a dum-dum and heard the stranger yelling again, saying, "Love me!"
What?
George hung up and went to run away to the living room with his phone in his hand. George finally called 911. There was no answer.
9/11?
911. There was no answer. George heard a voice coming from inside the closet he was standing right by. "Love me,"
Oh
the
God.
voice whispered. Then suddenly the stranger from before jumped out of the closet holding the dildo, screaming, "Love me!"
God.
George quickly ran to the front door and opened it. George then tripped from a conveniently placed tree branch and fell on the grass while the stranger was right above him licking the
Oh,
dildo.
is it gonna anally sodomize him?
"You're gonna love me no matter what. I'm gonna rape you so hard
I'll take
you'll
that as a
turn into
yes.
Spike before G4 MLP,"
What?
yelled out the stranger. Then the stranger named, I remind you, Shyla Trumpsina stick the dildo up George's butthole. And they lived happily ever after, clopping to view to porn. The end. When the name was I on? Now I got another thing.
That's what this made. This is what that made me feel.
What?
That
When the name is this?
it's an epic picture of the Spooty fire.
Okay. Spooty Fire, really?
Spooty fire.
Anyways, here's the top 10 things I hate the most in the world. And if you like one of these things, don't feel Don't feel
Hate him until you die.
don't feel don't feel offended. I had to look up that word.
Wow.
Anyways, so if you like one of these things, don't worry, I'm not gonna express it that much. I just don't like them. So top 10 things I hate the most in the world. Number 10, Halo Reach. Only because it disappointed me, I just didn't like it. Number 9, Five Nights at Freddy's. I just I just don't like the
Five
fandom.
Nights at Freddy's.
Number 8,
I just don't
shut up!
get it.
Number 8, fine. I think,
Damn, Daniel. Back at the game with the white vans.
oh, that sums it up. Number 7, EA. Their freaking microtransactions and DLC are
Transactions?
awful. Yes.
Transactions?
Transactions.
Transactions.
And also, they ruined Star Wars Battlefront for me. Well, not ruined it for me. It it disappointed me real bad. Probably, I should probably more than Halo Reach, but still, Halo Reach deserves number 10 still. Number 6, Minions. I don't care about the movies. They're freaking everywhere.
Minions is
To
good
everywhere.
movie.
The merchandise is everywhere, man. It's just.
Yeah, well, the movie's good.
But I mean, I
That's what
agree with.
happens
I
when
hate
something
everything.
gets. That's what happens when something gets famous. It becomes everywhere.
But this thing is. It's just.
It's
It's
not.
like a
It's not
virus.
around very much anymore, actually.
That's good. Number 5, banned from Equestria.
Oh, but that's the best.
I'll explain that one in a couple, probably in a minute. Number 4, Yiffers.
Oh.
Again, it's just like banned from Equestria.
That's what
Number 3, Tumblr.
is.
I got a lot of things to say about it, but there's also a story behind it, and it's a long story. Number 2, Clock/Rule 34. Like number 5 and 4. I just don't like porn.
Oh.
I just don't like porn. I especially hate
Today
Clock.
was today was my last day.
And they're just.
Initiated.
I just hate that stuff. Like number 3, hard to explain, but because there's a story behind it and everything. So I just hate porn. I'm asexual and I'm happy to be that way.
Oh, you're gonna get so much bash for that.
What?
For saying that you're an asexual. You're gonna get so much hate for that.
Why?
That's worse than being gay.
I never even seen any hate for being asexual.
Oh, I have.
Well, if you have a problem with it, you can suck it. And number 1, 4chan. It's self-explanatory. It's the worst website ever.
Nah.
Probably. One of the worst.
If you want to find the worst websites ever, go onto the deep web.
I'm talking about the surface web.
You can find websites worse than that as well.
I know, but it's one of the worst still. Anyways, if you have
And
a problem
compared
with
to
my
what's out
list, you can suck it.
and compared to what's out there, it's like a walk in a pink fluffy unicorn that is dancing on a rainbow.
Really? That's your best?
I was just saying something random and then I just slipped out. I was gonna say like a pink fluffy cloud or something, and then that just slid out.
Ready for this awkward silence. Okay, so, I don't know what the heck to call this episode. What's a way I can call this episode, Alex?
The dicks.
No, that's an awful name because it has nothing to do with that.
We've got everything to do with it.
Is that what life is? The dicks?
Yep.
I don't want to live on this planet anymore.
Well, you got no choice in that.
Oh well, kapoo. That was me shooting a gun near my head. Near my head.
Fine then, Clark. God.
Alex, what's today?
It's Dick Day.
It's my birthday.
It's Dick Day.
Okay, I guess it's Dick Day then. My birthday's not until April 30th.
It's Dick Day.
And his birthday is not until April 29th.
It's Dick Day on both those days.
Is Dick Day every day?
Yep.
Hi, Mommy.
$52.
Are we gonna eat today?
We had no ramen.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go to the store later. Like,
Hey, guys, look, it's my mother.
huh?
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Oh, I said hi.
With McNuggets?
Huh? Oh, with basketball?
I'll be
You
back.
want me to start that?
Excuse me, we're back. So, Alex, what is the thing you hate so much that makes you want to chug bleach every time you think about it?
I don't know.
Oh, do you hate anything?
No, not really.
Wow. There's a lot of things I hate.
I think I want to glitch this out.
In fact, maybe I even hate everything.
That's no.
Well, we gotta keep it going for the show, right?
Let's talk about dick. The best thing in the universe.
Let's talk about the My Little Pony season 5 finale.
That was just so Doctor Who-esque. It was crazy.
I don't even remember it.
It involved time travel.
I know that, but I don't know everything about it.
and
I could rewatch the
pre-missions.
episode if I had freaking Netflix. What was that?
I don't know.
Wait, do we get paid next week? No, I don't think so. I don't know. I can't remember. I can't remember when the last time we got paid. Oh well, we'll just have to starve this week and next week. So If you like Chipotle, then tell me in the comments. And also, what's the thing you hate the most in the world? I am a meme, but I feel sorry for you. How to tutorial, read a book. I made another how to tutorial.
God.
It's pretty freaking stupid. The first one was the best one. First one was really good. How to tutorial, dank memes. Whoa. Whoa, 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 lol, lol, lol. That was really freaking weird.
Yes. Yes, it was. Please don't do it again.
Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna end this episode off. Probably because it's a bit too long. I'm sorry for that. Maybe not. It's probably only like around 20 to 30 minutes. Anyway, see you in the next thing, whatever I do. I don't know if I even should upload this.
You should kill yourself, you pinecone faggot.
Okay.